I can't tell you how much I miss my trucks, but what I can tell you is how happy I am. I'm happy when another customer like Jordan from Massachusetts gets a truck. He got Gina. That truck is absolutely stunning. I did everything I could for Jordan. Jordan is constantly in contact with me. He's my friend. We've been talking about these trucks for a long time. I delivered his truck to him. He got it. He was happy. You can see he's happy because he's sending me pictures of it. And I just want to say thank you, Jordan. I will do anything and everything I can do for you from here on out forever. Just so happy, man, that you were able to get a truck from me. I love that truck. I miss that truck. That was one of my favorite trucks. I look back on my history sometimes, guys, and I don't even realize what I've been doing, because when you're going through the motions, you don't realize it. But I just want to say thank you so much. If you need a truck, call me, 607-423-7729, the legendary www.nydiesels.com. Keep your turbo spooling!